I think my favorite thing about BU, their big focus on is developing you and shaping you as a person. They really teach you how to problem solve. So your education is really focused on learning how to think instead of learning what to think. My name is Alexandra Hanson, and I'm a second-year master's student at Boston University studying speech-language pathology. Speech-language pathology is a really diverse field. It deals with speech and language and generally communication, and then some of the disorders that can go wrong with speech. For example, I had a child who was really having trouble with saying the sh, so we went through and saying words like shirt and shoe, and then showing them how to do it, having them watch in the mirror and try to make that sound. I think one of the things that I'm driven by as a speech pathologist is to make my therapy with children motivating so that it's fun and engaging for them and it's exciting so that they want to come to therapy. For them, it's just something fun that they know. They come and they play, but it's not so much having the child sit down and you're just repeating things over and over again, but making them want to speak. Well, it's different with adults because usually the adults are motivated that they want to go back to work or they want to go back to school. Their injury usually leaves them with a lot of feelings that they need to resolve because usually it's something devastating. They've been in a car accident, they've had a stroke, and it's a period of adjustment for them working on a skill, whether it's working on how long they can pay attention, how long they can participate in a conversation. It's very easy for them to see how that can really translate in their real life and make them successful. I decided to stay at Boston University to get my master's specifically because it's in the city of Boston and there are a ton of opportunities. You are working with some of the best professionals in the city and really getting to learn from some of the best professors in their fields. The professors are teaching the classes that they're most passionate about, and I think because of that, their passion for that topic is really contagious. One of my professors, she needed a research assistant. We research speech production and perception in individuals with cochlear implants. One of the most enjoyable things I've gotten from it is being on both sides of this field of seeing not only the clinical part that I'm really passionate about, but also the research that goes into it. This profession really is a lifelong learning career because that's going to make me the best professional for my clients.